No, I'm dropping this shit like hotcakes. I don't care. You gonna see my shit anyway, go. I'm just giving y'all heads up. I'm giving y'all heads up. Okay. I'm giving you heads up because y'all saw how I did on that one. You hear me? We damn near had 20K in video. So you know I'm gonna bleed the block with this. You hear me? I'm gonna bleed this block. You hear me? Yes. Look like I got a pocket full of stone. I got a pocket full of stone. So y'all think I'm playing, man. I'm gonna go back in the day like, hey, rock for rock, block for block. You hear me? Watch, I'm gonna see me. I ain't finna stop. You hear me? I'm gonna show y'all this grind. You hear me? Grind time again, part two. This nigga just dropping shit like a mother. God, yes, grinding. I'm gonna drop this shit. Y'all gonna be mad. Every swipe you gonna see my black ass. Grind time. But damn, man, this is my shit. I'm gonna bleed this bitch. Y'all better get ready, man. I ain't playing no games. Y'all better get down and lay down. I'm gonna let y'all know. You're mad. You gonna be big man. Cause it's going down. All my bro, salute is going down, y'all. Non-stop. What? Who gonna stop me? What? Oh, okay. Pop out rock out. We ain't playing no games. I told y'all, man. Well, we the best channel, man. These motherfuckers ain't rookie. Man, what? You better catch up, man. Hey, y'all, we gonna be real wild, man. I'm fucking man. Say, shh, don't tell nobody. Don't make me collab with my damn self right now, but I ain't gonna do it. It's like, pop out, rock out. What's up, dude? What it do, y'all? I told y'all, man. We ain't playing no games. Maybe pop out like 2 Gun Shouty. Yeah. Like I say, I pop out with my damn self. You hear me? It is. I told y'all, man, I'm treating my damn self. I got to, man. What the fuck? Life too short. I done told y'all that shit. Life too short. You better treat yourself. Don't beat yourself. You did? Pop out. Rah! Cause I told y'all, man, I'm not playing no games, y'all. It's okay. I'm gonna tell y'all again. I'm finna get this channel at 4K. Watch. Shh. Don't tell nobody. Watch. Coming soon. And a lot of y'all who stuck at 3, you better get ready because I'm coming. You hear me? I'm coming. No cap. Ring. Oh, cooking a little. You know, that channel right there doing the damn food. You know, shh, don't say nothing. Shh, don't say nothing. Pop out rock game. You know, no cap, man. We ain't playing no game. That's what we do. You know? That's what we do, Big Mike. Why we ain't even worried about this shit? Personality sales. Like to be big man, like, God damn it, you know. Yes, it's showtime. Bang! Man, y'all better stop playing, man. Y'all better stop saying y'all. Y'all gonna learn. Y'all gonna learn. We stay live. We stay live. I be trying to let y'all boys know, man. Ain't no fake shit. We stay live, man. Oh Lord. Oh, is that what I think I see? Oh Lord, where we go? Oh Lord, don't crank it, Mike. Don't crank it. Don't crank it. Mike, don't you do it. Don't you do it. Don't you do it. We live, bro. Say that's all. Hey, say, bro, we on some new shit now. You hear me? You hear me? We at the 4 zone. You hear me? We at the 5 zone. We in the 6 zone now. You hear me? Some shit we don't look back on. You hear me? Like in track, we don't look back no more. You hear me? We on some new shit. You hear me? Big Mike. Man, we ain't looking. What the? Bro, we at 6. You hear me? We at 6, bro. 6. You know how many subscribers that is to catch up? Man, do I need to delete that message? Because that you already know that's a bullshit message not going on right here. That's some. You hear me? You ain't trying to hear that. What? The storm is over now. That season over with. It is. Whatever cap. You hear me? Yeah. Man, leaning cap, hour tap, 360 cap. Man, say, man, we ain't playing no games, man. That shit is over with, bro, man. The storm is over now. Mike, you knew that shit was been over, bro. 4.